Alright, what a hike we just went on to get to this place, but
it was so worth it.
oh my gosh. It's a little bit of a difference.
Yeah, a little bit of a switch up from the treehouse.
From the treehouse, but
no, this is like insane.
yeah, we've only seen, you know, just the inside of it, and we're just like mind blown. No way, bro.
Oh, the lights are there.
Dolly. Dude, this place is absolutely insane.
Look, we have a puppy. He's our guard for the night.
This place gets off weird vibes.
Shut up.
Just like we should not be in this place.
Right, like
It's the vibes.
like this is just like
Crazy.
crazy.
Everything is so white.
Like, and just modern and like cool. And we have a puppy guard. That's the best guard.
Hey, bud. I can't wait to wake up.
Yeah, this is gonna look freaking insane. Cause like outside it's been dark, really. We can't like even see like the cool view.
Exactly. We're so excited to wake up and then just
see the whole shebang.
literally right behind us from the pool is supposed to be this huge like valley and
Yeah.
super cool view. We're like super exhausted right now from that hike up here, but I think
especially with like our bags, like our backpacks.
oh my gosh, I had my camera bag on, plus my like clothes and things like that.
Yeah.
Plus the fact that I have 2 bags on.
Yeah.
For like 75 pounds. I wouldn't say that heavy, but
Dude, that's heavier than my backpack. Can't be. Or my suitcase. Can't be.
true.
75 pounds. Yeah.
They feel like they're 75. Oh my gosh.
I had to take off my sweatshirt.
Oh my gosh, it is so long job.
Yeah, probably as hot as we are. And this hike was literally like 3 times as hard as the hike up to the zip line. No, like I'm talking like incline 20.
And the Dominicans or the Haitians that were bringing us were just wearing
Like Nike slides. Yeah. And they're just they're not breathing hard. Like they're just like.
Kenzie had to take a break.
Like 3 times. I'm not even gonna lie. I literally just took a shower, but I need a new one when we get there because I'm drenched in sweat. But if I don't cover up, the bugs literally eat me alive. I literally felt like I was going to pass out. Like I did fine on the zip line, like hike, but no, this was like different. This was like, I'm like worried about.
We gotta wake up in the morning and go back to the treehouse for breakfast, so that should be interesting.
Like
hiking
coming back up.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'll just stay up here forever. I don't need to go home or anything.
We're super tired right now. We'll give you guys a full tour of this whole place tomorrow morning as soon as we wake up, and we're gonna show you guys the view of what we're gonna wake up to. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Look at what we have woken up to.
It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, this is crazy, but yeah. Absolutely insane. And we have a few nights here, so right now we're going to head back down to the treehouse for some breakfast. So this is what we were going up like the entire time.
It's steep. Like I feel like I'm falling down.
Yeah. Plus having bags on.
And a sweatshirt.
And a sweatshirt. We were just drenched in sweat. My shoulders were killing. Yeah, so now we gotta hike down it. And then hike right back up it after breakfast.
Yeah. It should be easier coming back up if we don't have our bags.
No way.
upstairs, I think maybe one of the other properties that they own and that we could possibly be staying at. That one's cool.
So sick.
Yeah, that is sick. There it is. There's the bird. Nope, there's one sitting on his head.
No way.
Look. Am I in like Snow White right now?
We're literally tiptoeing down this.
Yeah. It's just like wet too.
Yeah, it's slippery. Just left the treehouse.
We got breakfast.
Got some good eggs, some French toast, some
Sat
bread.
down in our treehouse, let that digest.
Started raining a little bit.
So we waited that out.
And
And then as soon as it stopped, we're like, all right, we better go back up there.
Exactly. So, we are
Taking this treacherous hike again.
going back up this hill. Yeah, last night we were...
Yeah, it's just my legs are sore from last night. Like, I'm not out of breath. It's just like,
Yeah.
my legs hurt from last night.
Last night we were just messing around in the kitchen looking through everything.
Dude, it's the fact that
They
they have every tool but Nope. Found a
I found the scissors.
They were at the bottom.
They were what?
At the bottom. It's like our essentials in America are not the same here.
Nah.
Because like scissors I have like top of the drawer somewhere or like out. Same thing with I have ranch in the fridge. Same thing with mine is like, whoa, there's a spider right there.
Only downfall to the place.
He's dead. I think. Just my essentials here, or our essentials in America are not the same here.
We're in a sick house though.
Yeah, that's all that matters. All stars to death. Fuck it. As long as I can see this in the morning.
Literally, dude. Not even. Like it's we're staying here for free.
Right. I forgot that.
Literally just because we asked.
Yeah, you will never know unless you ask.
They just.
Well, what's the worst thing you can say? No. Or, I mean, what? You're gonna be embarrassed if you're laughing? Fuck it. I mean, okay, I'm funny. It's just like, I don't care.
We were just like, neither one of us have been in a house this crazy before, like that nice, with that view. So, we're soaking it all in right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, see you guys when we get back to the house and we'll give you guys a tour of the whole thing. Hey, what's up, MTV? My name's Blake, and welcome to mi casa. So when you first walk in, just big open area. We got our island right here. Kitchen all over here in an L shape. We got the fridge, coffee maker, some shelves, all the storage you could possibly need. All right, well, start taking you to the living room now. Come over here, we got this big wooden table with the glass middle part right through it. Just adds a cool aesthetic to it. And then one of my favorite parts of the house is just these big windows right here looking out to the scenery, out to our pool. And right over here, right by the kitchen, is bathroom numero uno. Nice shower, sink, basically everything that a bathroom
Would have.
is in this. So, coming out of the bathroom, right over to the staircase. Beautiful tree that lights up.
Yeah, we love that.
Yeah, great aesthetic, and it kind of lights up this marble staircase, a little pink, and then onto the second floor.
This, 'cause, 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 'cause,
see. Coming out of this room, down the hallway on the same floor, we got this little mirror that we can stare at ourselves for a little bit. And then here's our bedroom. When you first walk in, turn to the left, got this huge closet. Light doesn't work.
That's fine. Easy
But
fix.
huge walk-in closet
Got
that
an ironing board and an iron and a safe.
if we were to live in here, I'm gonna guess that probably around from here to about here would be all Kenzie's stuff.
Blake would get this little part right
Yeah,
here.
I'd maybe get half of this. These are still yours. I'd get those 3. So, coming out of the closet, this is where the real magic starts to happen. This is pretty much our bedroom. We got a mini fridge right over here. We got a lot of snacks and drinks in there right now. We got a nice king size bed, which, oh my so that is true. Being able to sit right here and look out to this every morning
Crazy.
is pretty crazy. These doors open all the way up, all the way down, and come out here, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the beautiful view with the pool right here, and just need a couple chairs out here. It'll be a little bit better, but
The view is insane.
yeah. Yeah, when we got here last night, we had no idea what any of this looked like. So when we woke up and just opened up those curtains,
And it was this.
yeah, it was pretty insane.
Pretty nuts.
So we shut this, come over here. Here is bathroom.
This is my side of the bed. This is Blake's side of the bed.
Nice.
Just so we know.
Coming over here.
Just so we know. You got a nice little chair.
Coming over here. Right here we got our master bathroom. It's honestly a little smaller than what I was expecting, but definitely not complaining at all.
Yeah. The bathtub is cool.
Beautiful. What a great toilet.
Yeah.
A+.
Good mirror, good lighting. You know.
It's a beaut. Now to one of the coolest parts of the house is all the way on the 3rd floor. Here's the final steps going up to the 3rd floor, which when you get up here, it's just completely open. So if this was my house, I'd probably put some cornhole, a pong table over there, put some couches, kind of hangout area, and a TV all the way up there. And then again, we come up here and just have this insane view once again from a little bit higher up. And
So cool.
yeah, I literally can't get over the view.
Like the video just doesn't even do it like justice.
Yeah,
You have to like be here in the flesh.
right here in the flesh.
Yeah, it's just huge, honestly.
And then down there's some like beds like hanging. So I guess you could sleep up here. I would only want to if I was like pissed drunk or something.
It's drunk.
Yeah, it's been pretty windy lately, these last few nights. Other than these last few nights, I don't think it would be that bad sleeping up here.
Yeah.
I mean, we're so used to sleeping outside like this anyways. So I don't think it would be that bad. All right, now that's basically everything for the inside of the house. And I think we're going to go hop in the pool.